Hello everyone, welcome to the lectures of Roga Nidāna. Today we are covering the topic Kāsa Nirukti Kasanata Kāsaha. The root of this Kāsa is Kāsar, which is hard. Paryaya, synonyms of Kāsa are Kāsa and Kshavathu. Then Hetu, which is Nidāna. There are two types of Hetu. First one is Samanya and second one is Vishishta. In the Samanya, remember Samanya if you are preparing for the 5-mark question, and for the 10-mark question, to extend your answer you can write the Vishishta. They are also simple, I'll tell you. First one we'll see Samanya. Here in the Samanya there are 4 terms. First one is Dhuma, second Vyayama, due to excessive exercise you will get the Kāsa. Then Ruksha Anna Sevana, the people who eat ruksha, dry food very often, for example eating biscuits, these things causes Kāsa. Then Vega Avarodha, here people who suppress their natural urges, it is the reason for causing Kāsa. In the Vishishta Nidāna or Vishishta Hetu, there are total 5 types. First one is Vatika Kāsa Nidāna. 5 Vatika Kāsa happens because of Ati Vyayama, excessive exercise, and Shrama. Paitika Kāsa occurs due to Krodha, anger, and Agni Atapa Sevana, exposure to heat of sun or heat of fire. Kafaja Kāsa Nidāna, Diva Swapna, day sleep, or Ati Vishrama, excessive rest. Kshataja Kāsa Nidāna, Ati Vyavaya, excessive indulgence in the sex, and Ati Bharavahana, excessive lifting excess weight. Kshayaja Kāsa Nidāna, Ati Vyavaya and Vega Varodha. Samprapti, the procedure where from Nidāna, the causative factors, to the manifestation of disease. What are the steps which occurs in the manifestation of disease? These steps are covered in Samprapti. So the steps are Nidāna Sevana, then aggravation of Kaphadi doshas. When you eat or do something from this list, these are Nidānas, right? Hetu. From this list, when the patient does anything which causes him Kāsa, first point is they do that thing, right? It is called as Nidāna Sevana. Then the next step is aggravation of Kaphadi doshas. Kapha and other doshas increases. Then next step is development of ama inside the gastrointestinal tract. After increasing the Kaphadi doshas, the ama develops in the GIT tract. After development of ama, the increased kapha dosha is localized in the pranavaha strotas. Then the next step is aggravation of vata dosha in pranavaha strotas, which moves upward. The movement of vata dosha here is upward. Then this vata dosha enters and fill up all the channels of shiras to cause the bending and stretching of the body. This point you can skip, but I'll read for you. Jaws, side of neck and eye along with it also brings contraction and stiffness of the eyes, back, chest and sides of the chest. After that, what causes Kāsa? This Kāsa may be dry or with sputum, which means wet cough. It is also associated with the severe pain, the loud sound like that of a broken bronze. What are the Samprapti Ghataka? Ghatakas are Doṣa. Which dosha are included in this disease? Vata and Kapha. Doṣa are Swara, Rasa, Anna. Strotas involved are Rasavaha and Pranavaha Strotas. Strotodukshti Lakṣaṇa is Sangha. Adhishthanas are Pranavaha Strotas, Ura Pradesh, Kantha, Amashaya and Pakvashaya. Swabhava is Ashukari. Sadhya Asadhyata is Navina and Navina and Sadhya. And Agni Dushti is Agni Mandya. Kāsa Bheda. What are the types of Kāsa? There are total 5 types of Kāsa. Vataja Kāsa, Pittaja Kāsa, Kafaja Kāsa, Kshataja Kāsa, Kshayaja Kāsa. Purva Rupa, signs and symptoms before manifestation of original symptoms. Those are, the shloka here is from the Charak Samhita Chikitsā 18th chapter 5th shlok. Purvarupam bhavet tesham shukapurna galasyata kanthe kanduscha bhojanam virodascha jayate. Points to be remembered are, what are the Purvarupa? How we can understand that we will get Kāsa now? So the patient will get feeling of filled throat and mouth. There will be itching sensation in their throat, hinderness to swallowing, difficulty in swallowing. Then there will be coating of throat and palate, and hoarseness of mouth will be there. Now, in for the 10 mark, you can write these Nidana and Lakṣaṇa of each respective types of the Kāsa. Otherwise, in this Lakṣaṇa, you can just pick any 10 Lakṣaṇa and write down here for the 5 mark question. So, we are learning for the 10 mark question. I'll explain everything. Vataja Kāsa Nidana is when person takes ruksha, shita and kashaya ahara, the quantity of ahara is less, that is alpa pramana, and when someone did the fasting, upvas, then these are the causative factors for the Vataja Kāsa. Next point is Lakṣaṇa. What are the signs and symptoms of Vataja Kāsa? There will be Shula, pain in Rat, Parshva, Ura, Shira, Pradesha. Swarabheda, there will be cracking of voice and dryness of chest and mouth. These are the signs and symptoms. Next is Pittaja Kāsa. Nidana are when person takes Katu, Ushna, Vidahi and Amla Ahara, Krodha, Santapa. In the Santapa means exposure to heat of Agni or sun. Then the Lakṣanas are Pita, Sputum and Akshay. The sputum and the eyes will be yellowish, and mouth bitterness will be there, disorder of voice will be there. Kafaja Kāsa Nidana, Anna, Guru, Snigdha, Madhura, there will be excessive sleep and sedentary lifestyle. Then Lakṣanas are Mandagni, Aruchi, Gaurava, heaviness of body, Charti and horripilation. Kshataja Kāsa, reasons are Ati Vyayama, weightlifting, walking long distances, and Lakṣanas are dry cough, bloody sputum, pain in the throat. Kshayaja Kāsa Nidana are Vishama Asatmya Bhojana, Ati Vyayama, Ati Vyavaya, separation of natural urges. Lakṣanas are sputum will have foul smell, very bad smell, and its color will be greenish and reddish. Displacement of heart, the patient will feel displacement of heart and feeling of heat and cold repeatedly. Sadhya Sadhyata, will these diseases are curable or not curable? Sadhya, when it is sadhya, when the Kāsa is of Vatika, Paitika and Kafaja type of Kāsa, it is Sadhya Kāsa. Yapya, Sadhya but some curable but with some efforts, right? These type of are, it includes Kshataja Kāsa and Kshayaja Kāsa. And in old person, in Vruddhavastha, every type of Kāsa is Yapya Kāsa. And Asadhya Kāsa, when Kshataja Kāsa occurs in Kshina Vyakti, which means weak person. In weak person, when Kshataja Kāsa occurs, it is incurable. Pathya and Apathyas. Pathya, you should eat, patient should eat light and nourishing diet which includes old rice, wheat, yava, milk, ghee, goat's milk. Supportive measures are Svedana, Vamana Virechana, Dhumapana. Helpful substances are Trikatu, Madhu, Ushnatoya, Divaswapna. Thank you so much. In the next lecture, we will cover the next disease.